One life, one road, infinite possibilities. Life doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It moves forward, mile by mile, choice by choice. Every time you ride, you leave behind excuses and ride closer to who you really are. On two wheels, worries fade, friendships grow stronger, and every curve reminds you that life is happening now, not someday. In 2026, answer the call of the road. Ride with friends, share the journey, and turn ordinary days into unforgettable memories.